Recently, when I was in the city, I chanced upon I Love Taimei, their bubble tea shop at Bugis Sunshine. Guess what I found? A bubble tea making kit. So I decided, hey, let's try this. We're gonna make a review out of it and a sketch. So keep on watching. Hey guys, what's up? Alvin Mark here. Welcome back to the studio. I am definitely missing my bubble tea. There are some shops that are open, but they're quite way off in the distance. Some bubble tea companies have partnered themselves with food delivery companies, but it takes so long for those to come, and for some you need to have a minimum amount, and I won't be able to spend $12 on bubble tea. Bubble tea has to be consumed fresh for its full effect. So in this episode, come bubble tea with me. I don't have a kitchen. I do have a kettle. Kettle as in hot water. I don't know why I was thinking cows. They only had matcha flavor left, so let's spend the time to make this bubble tea to see whether it's gonna be as good as the regular ones. I bet it is because it's matcha and it's all powdered. But let's see how the pearls are, and then we're gonna make a sketch out of it. Okay, so here are the contents of the little cup that has been provided. This is the creamer pack. It says here, add in after tea is done brewing for 3 minutes. Okay, and these are obviously the jelly, the bubble themselves. White pearls, they call this in this pack here. It's really squashy and gooey. And wow, this is fresh tea, and it comes with this cute little spoon. I'm gonna boil the water now while I read the instructions. Phew. Okay, so it's been a while since I watercolored, but here's the best part. While the paint is drying, I'm gonna be sampling this. It's almost like eating instant noodles, so I'm not gonna be expecting a lot from it. So here we go, guys. It's not too bad. It has a hint of sakura flowers, which comes as an aftertaste. Pearls are fine, they're not as sweet, but they're crunchy. The matcha milk tea itself is a creamy, delicious beverage. Yeah. Many places that serve matcha has it instant. It comes in packets like that. Let's search for the pearls. Textures are the same. I'm sure there are emulsifiers and preservatives in there that keep it so crunchy and fresh. So there you have it. I think it's pretty decent, but I know that there's a lot of other chemicals that's going in there to keep it fresh. I do miss a really good natural bubble tea. But in the meantime, this will have to do. Thank you, I love Taimei. There are a lot of other companies out there making these DIY bubble tea packets, but this one was the easiest by far for me to obtain, and I was there and I just purchased it over the counter. This is Alvin Mark here in the studio. I hope you enjoyed seeing the whole process of making a DIY do-it-yourself bubble tea and the sketch that I made right after making the drink. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you'd like to leave your thoughts about making a DIY bubble tea versus drinking one from the store, do comment in the comment box down below. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this episode. It was interesting being able to make it, and this is really good for all those who do not have kitchens like myself here in the studio. Until the next episode, cheers and ciao ciao.